Hi guys, oh yeah, my YouTube channel is Meantastic, so. Hi guys.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, YouTube channel. I post videos, animation. Oh, it's okay. Ah, I missed it. Hi guys, Meantastic here. I'm at this church. I'm at my nearby church. Hi. I'm at this nearby church that I go to every Sunday. Yeah, we're celebrating the 4th of July by going to this church, and okay, I know this might be a bit weird, but I'm a bit young, a bit too young, but I already have a girlfriend. I'm sorry. I already have a girlfriend, and
I'm not gonna hurt.
get out! Get out! Yeah, get him! Get him! Get him! Pull him up! Leave my girl alone! She my girl! I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You know, I'm so sorry that I'm so sorry that I get to share your face online. I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's fine. It's fine.
You know what I really hate? I really hate it when people just interrupt us when we're like,
Yeah.
it just gets very irritating.
It is.
So we're out here just waiting for the fireworks. Is there a party going on in there? What the heck?
I think it's from that over there.
Oh, I was wondering what was going on in
If
there.
there's a party, I would already be in there by now.
I know, right? So it's the 4th of July, and
Here you go.
oh, you're recording me? Wait, oh, you missed it, you missed it!
Yeah!
You missed it!
That's not fair!
It's okay, it's okay. So, the 4th of July, we're out here celebrating stuff.
Well, there's not very much
Here,
fireworks.
Dad wants you. I'm not. I told him.
Wait, what? So me and my girl are at it again. We're back. Oh, I just missed it. My phone is at a low battery, so we're not really gonna have that much time.
Yeah, I guess.
Let's just make a thumbnail before we. Yeah, after we do this. Whoa. Whoa!
Very nice. You see one coming up.
Whoa!
I can let you know when one was coming up. I can literally see it. Where's the stat? One was coming up.
Whoa! As soon as I get home,
there's
I'm.
one like just right over there.
You know, this could be the start of a good relationship.
Yeah.
Wait, so what school are you going to?
LHS.
Oh.